CA Foundation students, let's quickly master the tricky concept of privity of contract from the Indian Contract Act along with covering question number 3 of May 2026 RTP for CA Foundation Law. Subscribe to this channel if you are a CA aspirant so that such helpful videos reach you. Now consider these facts. Mr. Das transfers property to his daughter Geeta, but with one condition. She must pay rupees 20,000 every year to her uncle Mr. Gopal. Geeta accepts the property but later refuses to pay. So the big question is, can Gopal sue Geeta? So here comes the concept of doctrine of privity of contract. It means only parties to a contract can sue. So generally, a stranger to a contract cannot sue. Another concept is about the consideration. As per the Indian Contract Act, consideration may move from the promisee or any other person. So even if Gopal didn't give consideration himself, the contract is still valid because the consideration has moved from Mr. Das to Geeta. Now the most important part, exception to doctrine of privity of contract. There is a famous case law supporting the point that a third party can sue a party to a contract if the third party is a beneficiary of the contract. And that case law, which you should definitely quote in the exam, is Chinnaiya versus Ramayya. Applying the above provisions to our case, Mr. Das gave property to Geeta and in return she promised to pay Gopal. This promise was clearly for Gopal's benefit. So even though Gopal is a stranger to the contract, he is a beneficiary and falls under the exception. So the conclusion is, yes, Mr. Gopal can recover the annuity from Geeta.